Hi, Pucci. How are you today? Pucci, hi. What have you been up to? Hey, Pucci. Hi, Pucci. Hi. Hey, you want to go check on Gucci? Come on. Pucci. Pucci, come on. Come on, Pucci. Pucci. Oh, Pucci, you're going over there. Okay. I'll go check on Gucci. Hi, Gucci. How are you? Gucci. How are you? What's wrong, Gucci? Why are you meowing? Gucci, come here. Gucci. Gucci, come here. You're hungry? Gucci. Hello. Come on, Gucci. Gucci. Look, the little kitty's following my feet. Hi, cutie. Hello, cutie. This is a girl cat. She's only a kitten still. This is Gucci. Say hi to all the YouTubers, Gucci. Gucci. What's wrong? You're hungry? I'll feed you in 1 second. Come on, let's go check on Pucci. Let's go check on Pucci. Oh, she's purring. Gucci, come sit on the seesaw. Gucci. What do you want to do? She's following my feet. Hi, Gucci. Hello. Oh, she's following my feet. Gucci. What? You're hungry? Gucci. Oh, she's coming to me. Cutie pie. She's rubbing herself on me. Now, if you want to know if she's a girl or a boy, it's really simple. I can show you. Alright, Gucci, come on. Sit, and you could see. Gucci. Could see by lifting the tail. And this is a girl. And underneath you could see this is a girl. Gucci. Oh, the little kitty's following me again. Go. Gucci, Gucci. She's following me, yeah. Look at this cutie pie. See my feet? It's following my feet. You're hungry? Alright, that's it for today. We'll have more videos up soon. Please subscribe I hope you enjoyed it. Hey, Pucci and Gucci. Oh, subscribe.